Dictation will be started in few seconds. Be ready. Start. Hemant Soren is back as Jharkhand CM. Stop. His swift taking back of the post from Champai Soren, who held the fort for 5 months, is as good an announcement as any of the September to October assembly elections in Jharkhand, Maharashtra and Haryana. Stop. Opposition BJP has been quick to accuse Hemant of salt changing Champai, a well-regarded JMM veteran and Soren family loyalist. Stop. Campaign narrative are forming, with twists and much rattle in the tail. Para. Plenty fight each of the three states in the first round of assembly elections after the LS poll is a unique battlefield. Stop. On test will be India's unity and perseverance against BJP, which has everything to prove, its third term a coalition government. Stop. One sampled the acrimony in parliament. Stop. On test will be the Saffron party in Haryana especially, its LS tally halved to 5 MPs. On test will be the mettle of two Senas and two NCPs in Maharashtra. Para. Mahamadal. Shiv Sena's haul of 56 MLAs in 2019 assembly polls is now a fractured war chest between UBT and Sindhe. Stop. If, in 2019, NCP had 54 MLAs, in 2024 Sharad Pawar is toying with estranged nephew Ajit Pawar, who must find his feet after as LS knockout. His wife losing to Supriya Sule was almost a referendum on who voters believe owns NCP. Stop. Add to that the Jaranj beat, which makes frenemies of Deputy CM and CM. Ajit Pawar's politics compels him to fight Sindhej, make Marathas OBC plank. Stop. Para. The Sena BJP split after 2019 assembly election triggered a constitutional storm that cracked open political skies. Stop. In the LS election, MVA won 30 seats. ब्रैकेट में कांग्रेस 13, UBT 9, शरद पवार 8, ब्रैकेट क्लोज, of the state's 48. Stop. Congress, as state's single largest party, helms MVA and is seemingly on a strong wicket. Stop. But Sindhe has proved to be no walkover, and BJP is 105 MLAs strong. Stop. Para. Haryana hustle. The only straight battle between BJP and Congress is anything but. Stop. In 2019's assembly election, BJP won 40, Congress 31 and state party JJP 10. In alliance with BJP, stop. JJP is no longer a BJP ally. Stop. BJP's switching CMs has not worked to its advantage here. Saini heads a government just short of majority. Stop. Para. Local or hyperlocal? Question mark. LS polls were fought on local issues. As much strategy as compulsion for the state constituents in India. Stop. It is to be seen how party campaigns will differentiate from their LS campaign. Stop. BJP is defending in two states, and in Jharkhand, it is battle ready to take on JMM Congress. Stop. It's election again. Stop. Over and end. Thanks for watching.